Genesis chapter 10, often called the Table of Nations, is a genealogical record, descendants of Noah's three sons, Shem, Ham, and Japheth, after the great flood. This chapter is not just a list of names, it's a foundational map of how nations and peoples spread across the earth. From Japheth comes to coastal peoples and many Indo-European nations. From Ham descends the powerful ancient empires like Egypt, Canaan, and Babylon, through figures like Nimrod, a mighty hunter before the Lord, who founded cities such as Babel and Nineveh. Shem's line is especially significant, leading to the Semitic people and eventually to Abraham, the father of faith. Though Genesis 10 doesn't include dramatic events, it quietly sets the stage for the world's diversity, showing how the entire earth was populated through the sons of Noah. It's a powerful reminder that humanity shares a common origin, and every tribe and nation find its roots in this moment of divine history after the flood.